Hey guys, in this video, we're talking about classwork. So classwork is one of the two main things that you typically do in a week. Let's go to weekly modules. I say two things, but sometimes there's also quizzes, but quizzes are inside of the My Lab Math homework. Oh, I just realized I'm in the instructor view. Let me view as a student. Student view is nicer anyway. There's less clutter. Okay, so here we go. Weekly modules. Let's go to the week that you're in. And then at the bottom, you'll notice this link for the classwork. Except I just realized it's not going to be open to Monday. Hold on, I'm going to pause the video so I can open it up so you can see. Okay, so I opened up this classwork just so that you can see what it looks like. Typically, classwork is available from Monday and then due on Sunday of the same week. So here's what a classwork looks like. Actually, this is just a place to submit your classwork. So as far as submitting, there's a couple options you have. You could upload some electronic file, or you could just work on paper and pencil, take a picture of it, and then upload that. Well, I guess it's still electronic, but what I mean is you could type in your answers into some electronic format, like a document, a Google Doc or whatever, and you could even put a link there, or you can add a file and just attach it as if you're doing like a like attachment to an email or something. Okay, so what is classwork though? Classwork is distinct from homework, and all it is you're going to write the answers to the questions that are in the notes slash classwork. So like for day two, the first example, you click on that and it has the notes, right? And then you go along, you watch the video that goes along with it. So what like if I'm taking the class, what I would typically do is maybe open two windows side by side. So I'm looking at the notes in one side and then I'll watch the video on the other side. Okay, this is not the actual video. This is just a placeholder until I record it. So the lesson video is going to go here, right? You're watching the video, you're looking at the notes, and then along with the notes, you have some questions. This one has 13 questions. So you're going to get a piece of paper, write out the solutions. As you're writing these solutions out, check your work with the video because the video is going to go over the exact solution and not only the solution answer, but also how to write your answer. Because how you display your work is going to be important when it comes to exam time and I'm grading. We don't grade only on the final solution, but also on your process. In fact, the process is more important than the answer. You could get the answer wrong and still end up with almost 100% of the points for the question, as long as your logic makes sense. Sometimes like for me, I make a lot of careless mistakes sometimes, like with a sign or something like that. And that is not as important. Like those small errors are not as important as the process that you're going through in answering a question. Because what we're trying to teach you is how to think through a problem in math. Okay, so classwork, right? You got the questions, you write down your solutions on a piece of paper, you take photos of your solutions, and then that is what you're going to add. Those photos is what you're going to upload right here as files. Or again, if you prefer, you can type the whole thing out, then you don't have to take photos. You can just, upload that digital document. That's classwork. Not meant to be hard because I give you all the answers to the questions that you're submitting in the videos. Okay. Oh, that's actually it. Yeah, all I wanted to talk about was classwork in this video. So I'm going to talk about homework in a separate video. So I'll see you there.